Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to enable paper trading in TradingView mobile application. Turn on paper trading and start the trading. So to add, you can firstly click on the broker icon to open all the brokers. Now here you will see the first broker is called paper trading. Okay, then you can tap on it. After once you click here, it will ask you to connect. You can click on connect. Once you click on connect, the paper trading will be add here. Here you will see the icon will be add right side of the broker icon. Here you will see. Okay, now to start the trading, you can here buy or sell the chart means the trade where you want. You can here buy or sell, and then you can manage hit here on your paper trading admin panel. Okay, your amount balance, equity, your orders, your order history, your balance history. Okay, once you here trade on any specific chart, the paper trading will be start here. Okay, goodbye.